Today, I'm going to embroider macrame. Some assembly required. So it looks like I'm going to stay on the macrame bandwagon for a little bit longer because I'm never going to get sick of it.
Are you going to get sick of it?
Maybe. Not yet, though. So I saw the other day when I was looking through the internet for ideas of things to try with macrame, I saw this cute little embroidered picture on black fabric, and I said, okay, well, first of all, that's cool. I have not done any embroidering for a very long time, and even then it was like
Embroidering.
So I thought that would be cool, and I don't think ever on black fabric. I think that it will be hard to see as I'm doing it, but when it's finished, I think the pop will be totally worth it. We'll see. But it should be cool. So I thought that that would be something fun to do. Some of it I will do here, some of it I will do out in the wild, maybe on the couch where the floor is not freezing. I could be wearing socks, but I'm not. So it's my fault. So what I have are my black fabric, some different greens, and some different colors for like the planter pots. 2 different sizes of embroidery hoops. I wasn't sure. I think I'll probably start with the small one. And if I'm feeling successful, maybe I'll do another larger thing. And then I have some white, not really embroidery floss, but like a thicker, yet still very thin cotton. I forget what this is for. Weaving? I don't know. It's for all kinds of things. I never really use things for what they're for, so I kind of sometimes forget their actual real purpose. So then the only other thing that I'm missing, and I think they're over there, are my needles for embroidery. So I feel like I could probably set this up right now. All right, found my needle. This seems like a regrettable place to put my needle, but it seems like that's where I'm going to put it anyway. So like I said before, I have not really embroidered much lately. Oh, cool. Great. What is the obsession that people have with stickers on everything? Ugh, and then it's all like sticky and gross. I hope this comes off. Can we stop with the stickers? I can't get them off. I took a class once, which was awesome, and it was called thread painting, and I like that. I like the idea of painting with thread rather than fussy, has to be in exactly the right spot. This is probably one of those things that should be in the exact right spot, but I'm going to approach it the way I want, okay? So that's how it's gonna be. All right, I have to get the stupid sticker junk off this, and then I will wrap it all up. All right, the sticker residue is gone. Is that a me problem? Am I the only one that cannot stand having sticky all over the place? Possibly. So the next thing I'm going to do, obviously, is cut out the right size of my fabric and stretch it over this. Wrinkly. There we go. I am all loaded up. Now, the fabric is really, really thin, so we're gonna find out how much of a bad idea it is to double it up. It doesn't seem like it should be a bad idea, but then a lot of the times my bad ideas don't seem like bad ideas at the time. So I have some ideas here that you can't see, so I just need to figure out where to put them on my fabric. Then I also tested it and I found that the pencil is visible. I can't mess up because I think it will always be visible, but at least I can sketch out where I plan to embroider because I won't remember. I need a plan. So I guess I will start to do that, and then I can start embroidering, which will be cool because that's the point of all this. Cool. I've got my plans, and I can only just barely see them, so that's pretty much all you can see. The pencil shows up better than I thought that it would, and I think that is all I'm going to need, especially if I use some natural light, maybe some sunshine, so that I can see what's going on. I think I will probably make the pots first, and then the plants, and then finally the macrame is gonna go on top of the macrame. So that's cool. I think that I will do it all super fast motion because I think it's gonna take a long time. I think this is gonna be cool though. I'm excited to do it. what we have so far. So we have the little pots. Cool. The next step is going to be to do the plants, and I'm not going to do that right now. Maybe later, maybe somewhere where I can see. I may have to do my lines again because it's hard to see on the black, but that's okay. So that will be a minute. And then I will do that and we'll see how it goes. You know, it's not the most beautiful embroidery that you ever saw in your whole entire life because I don't really know how to do that. Also, you know, I'm just going for fun, not crazy. Embrace the imperfections, remember? Yeah, that's important, especially when you're not perfect, because so few of us are. Definitely not me. Anyway, so plants next. Somewhere sunny.
I did it!
That was exciting. Embroidery is pretty fun. I wouldn't say that I'm good at it by any means. Adequate. I think that adequate is probably how I would describe me. I'm not trying to do anything too hard, and it's fine. I will leave the expert stuff to the experts. But simple stitches like this are good enough for me. I like the quality of these plants. I like that they all look different, and they're a little bit simple. I like simple. You're not quite getting the color quality that I am seeing, sorry, but I'll take some pictures and you can see it in its natural habitat. I think I'll sort of fold this together and maybe just sew it so that it tucks back in, and I'll hang it from the hoop. Used a little piece of tape to get all the fuzz off. So now it's nice and clean and beautiful. Awesome. Okay, just in case the middle one was driving you crazy as well, I fixed it so that it's a little more even. I would say it's still not perfectly even, but it's a lot closer. So don't worry, I've got you covered. It made me twitchy. So I tried to fix it better. I think that this is something that anybody could probably try. I had to let go of a few preconceptions. You know, it's gonna look like it looks. It's probably not gonna look like a machine did it if I'm doing it. Someone else, I'm sure, could embroider it so that it looks like something beautiful happened, but that's okay. I am once again embracing the imperfection that is my entire life. I mean, art. So I think that this is really cool, and it makes me want to do some more embroidery. I definitely want to make a video where I'm sort of thread painting that I was talking about earlier. I think I was talking about earlier. I don't even remember anymore. It's been several days. I like that more than I thought. I enjoyed working on the black, except that I couldn't see it very well. It's more of a natural light project rather than a light shining into your eyeballs kind of a project, or I'm old. I don't know. Yes, all of those options. It's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It is still going to hang up in a place of prominence, back there somewhere maybe, and it will be
fantastic.
If you enjoyed this video, or you like videos where people make things, you've come to the right place, and you should probably click subscribe and the little notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. I make new videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays, which you should definitely check out because they're all unique in their own special way. Cool. Thank you so much for watching. This was fun, and I can't wait to do it again soon. Till next time. Bye. See you soon.